Okay, so now next up, I'm going to show you how to get a blog update notification for another website. Now, currently on this Hammermaid's website, we have blogs, and we have two blogs. Okay, one is written in English, the other one is in Chinese. And okay, I'll close it. Okay, now I have logged into this other website again. So now this website has no blog at all, and we're going to create a new blog. Blog 1. So hello, this is blog 1. Okay, let's hit submit. Okay, now this is a blog 1. Okay, so now here on the Hammermaid's website, I'm trying to subscribe to that. I'm trying to subscribe to this website's blog section. So how do we do that? We're going to folder, hit here like a follow me, and there will be API URL that you are going to copy it. So it basically tells the other one who want to folder this section, tell you how to follow me. So I turn to here and add subscription. Just paste it here. Okay. So then we'll see. You will immediately see this hello blog 1, and actually you have just kind of a thumbnail. Okay, let me create another one, and much longer. Blog 2. Let's copy London and type something. Sorry. Hello. Ni hao. So make it longer. Okay, so now let's hit submit, and then you will see from here, if you refresh it, you will emit like what you see on the Facebook or others, on other Instagram, or what you can see from when you refresh your homepage. You will see a lot of the thumbnail of update notifications from your contacts, telling you that they have something new for you, and you can, if you hit read more, it will directly jump to this website, or to this. You will see the detail of this blog. Okay, so that's kind of like an idea and how to folder the notifications of the website. So that if the blog has such a functionality that you can send notification to others, I think that you will bring new life to blog. Nowadays, a blog used to be very hot. I think a decade or 20 years ago, a lot of people used to when blog first come out, a lot of people like to write a blog to share their knowledges and those articles. But now the blog is kind of dying out. Not many people write blog. It's only because that the blog website cannot talk to each other. people tend to use things that can communicate with each other, like social media, right? So nowadays you use a lot of social medias. They provide you a place to write your blog, to do articles. So then you can hit a button to share it with your connections on the social media platforms. Now, with this individual website, having this same functionality that you can share your blog with other your friends on these connections. So it's like you are connecting your website to many other websites that every of your friends have their own website. So this website can now, it's like a individual human, so you can share the knowledge information between each other without the middleman inside. So it will enable the free flow of the information, right? So what I'm trying to say is that we are embracing a new blog area. Now this time the blog, you can write anything you like, and also and it was more fun because you have the ability to share your blog to your friends, to the world, actually to every corner of the world, as long as the internet is connected, right? So it will have a lot of fun. I can predict that. I can say. Okay, so that's the blog things, and also you can do the same thing to the galleries, because it's just a demonstration. So it's kind of like a prototype, except that you are not investors, but you are your older audience, older people, and trying to persuade you to join this decentralized media, decentralized social networking system. So it's just a prototype. But it's not perfect yet. So but it's good enough to illustrate my idea. Okay, so you can do the same thing to this gallery. So if you, for instance, you visit a place and you have taken so many wonderful pictures, and you want to share your exciting trip and photos with your friends. You can do the same thing. You can send your friends. You can have this kind of the same thing, just like this blog thing, and you can add another functionality, follow me, and anyone who are interested in your gallery, they would copy this API URL and add to their subscription, and every time you have update your galleries, your new photos, they will show up the thumbnail to here in this subscription, right? So, and also if not just a blog or gallery, and also if you are you're a content producer, like you're writing news for entertainment, news for and articles for science. Also you have the you can have each section have such a functionality that you want people to subscribe to this specific section of your website, and then you will have the paid audience, paid subscribers every month, right? So it will give you some income every time you produce, every time you make some good content. So okay, so that's that. Also, if you are a video producer and you create wonderful videos, and you will also have some subscribers, paid subscribers, to every time you make a new video. So every time you have a new video comes up to update, they will send some notifications to to the other end as well, just like this one. So you can subscribe to any sections of your website. Okay, so yeah, so that's the idea of how to subscribe to any websites of your connection, any website whether you connected or not. As a websites are open system. We build website because we want more people to visit our website, right? Social media is kind of a closed ecosystem, and you can only talk to and you are not always freely talk to anyone on the because they have the censorship or some kind of restriction. Sometimes you have to pay for that, pay for some service, because any corporation is not any company is not a charity organization, right? It makes sense, we can understand, but right. Okay, so that's, I think that's so much about this subscription and subscription thing. Also, you can subscribe from the leader's side to HMMA. So it's the same thing. If I want to, you can follow me. I can do the same thing. Okay. By the way, this is the returned data. It's kind of the protocol that the website user to talk to each other. It's very easy. Human language are complicated. Human language is just another protocol. A website of protocol is much easier than human language, right? So it's the protocol we use to communicate with. Sorry, this is my. Hey, sorry. Okay, I will open up the protocol. Wait a second. Okay, this is a decentralized media protocol that you will use to enable two websites to talk to each other. So you can see that it's quite easy. This is just less than 2 pages, I think. This is the key word, and this is the word that offered by the WebRTC, which is WebRTC is from the Google. They open source their packages for us to freely use it. So for the WebRTC to able to have the peer-to-peer video conversation, they just have this offer, answer, and candidate keywords. It's just like a protocol. So we just added. This one is used to look for each other to enable to us to locate anyone on the world to URL websocket URL. So it's just less than two pages of this kind of the protocol. So it's really easy. If we agree on this, just like we agree on WebRTC, and we can talk to anyone on the internet with just one single website. So that any website can talk to the other website in any corner of the world. Okay, so sorry. So that's the kind of the protocol. What does that mean? Okay, I hope you understand. It's in a layman's term. It's just a human, kind of like a similar to human language and grammar. Okay, now from Lily, I want to subscribe. I will add a new subscription, so you can see. Okay, so now that you have the thumbnail of this latest blog. Okay, which is this one. Okay, this thumbnail. Also, you can because I haven't finished all of that functions, so I only display the text message. But as you can see, they are able to display this image list. So in thumbnails you can have some image thumbnail as well. So this page URL means that if you that's the place when you hit read more, that's the URL you're going to visit. So it's jump into this place. That's that URL means. Okay. Okay, so I think that's pretty straightforward to understand. Excuse me. So to how to follow this blog, this blog or other, to follow to any